This series game is called Fair Test Lab, and it's based on science and doing plant experiments. This is the main part of the game, but there is earlier parts where customers email in asking for advice on how to produce or better produce their plants, which brings us to the experiment side of things. Students need to know what the variables and the controls are, which this game gives a bit of information on before it gets to this point. So in this situation, what level of nitrogen is best for growing lettuces, so obviously the variable is nitrogen. Control plant is 4, so we go ahead and we change all these other ones to something different. So that one's 0, this one's 2, 8, and 4. You can actually get some information on what nitrogen is, or what it does to plants. Same with temperature, that kind of thing. So each email has different experiments, which may be different variables. The student clicks on run, and then they can watch all the plants either grow too fast, not grow at all, that kind of thing, get an idea of what the results may include. So this is over 100 days. They can click on results, which is where they'll have to be able to read a table. They need to know some of these things, so germination time, what bolting time is, so that's what a plant does. Plant goes to flower without producing food. Once they have a read of the table and they want to check their answers, they can click on summary, and if they've read it exactly the way that they've read it, the way it's written here, they should be able to report back to the customers with with the test results that showed that which plant grew best with. So if we say grew best with the 2, we can email the report. Unfortunately, they got it wrong. So if they go back to the report, they can either go back to the lab and redo the experiment, back to results, and just re-look at the results and see where they've made a mistake. In this case, it was 16. That was the correct one. They can send that, and that gives them the right answer. Also, it does go into email information, so what an email address looks like and how it's set up. They can have some spelling learning here as well with the from, and that's pretty much the gist of it. Thank you.